In this video, I'll show you how to automatically assign deals in Pipedrive. Let's get started. First, sign in to your Pipedrive account. Then, click the More icon from the left-hand sidebar. Now, click Automation, then click Plus Automation in the top right corner. Next, choose Start from Scratch. For the trigger, select Deal Created or Deal Updated, depending on when you want the assignment to happen. After that, click the plus icon to add an action and choose Update Deal. Then, set the owner field to the user you want to assign the deal to. If needed, you can also add conditions, such as the pipeline, deal source, or custom fields, before the action runs. Finally, give your automation a name and click Save. From now on, any deal that matches your conditions will be assigned automatically. That's how you auto-assign deals in Pipedrive. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to our channel.